Hello students, good morning. So today is a very experiment is the connecting the Arduino with the keypad. So here is my keypad, and I have used this keypad with the interfacing my with my Arduino Nano. So here the good point is this, that there are some pins, and on these pins I am directly connecting this keypad because there are connections, and there is a port, and here are 8 pins which are connecting to this port, and here I can connect this port with this directly with this. So here is the code for the interfacing of the keypad. So here you can see that there is a hash include keypad.h. Now there we have to define the rows and columns. So 4 rows and 4 columns are there. So we have to define the number of keys that was at which key which value should print on the screen. So there are some values, and these values are according to this keypad. Here we are using 1 to A, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and A B C D and star and hash. So all these values we have put it over there, and now selecting the number of pins, that on which pins we have to connect it. So there are number of pins, and accordingly we will check that what value will be shown on the COM port. Now there is a row pins, and we have to define the rows, and this is row 2 3 4 and 5. There is a column pins, and there we have to define the column pins 6 7 8 and 9. Now we will initialize my keypad using custom keypad equal to custom is equal to keypad. Now we are mapping these things, okay, mapping these all things accordingly. So make key map hexa keys. So key mapping is using these hexa keys. So all these hexa keys are over there. Now rows pins are there. So rows pins, now we are checking that what are the rows pins are over there, what are the column pins are over there. These are the column pins, and we are defining rows and columns accordingly. And now I am defining my serial port over there, and serial port is 9600, and now I have to define my custom key, that which this is of character type, because we have used the character type information. So we are using the custom key as a character type. Now custom keypad equal to custom keypad dot get key. If custom key is pressed, then custom key will be available over there, and it will be shown on the COM port. Okay, so now let's see. I have connected this experiment with my Arduino Nano accordingly. Now this is the board, this is the COM port. Now I will press a key. So here I am pressing my keys, and you can check that the pins will port the value will come on the screen. So here you can see that I push the 1. So 1 is coming, 2 is coming, 3, A is coming, 3 is coming. So likewise 4, 5, 6 and B. Likewise 7, 8, 9 and C. Likewise star, 0, hash, and last one is D, right? So all keys are working fine, and it is very good experiment, and used for many type of purpose. For example code, for example security. You can use your own code, your own experiments. So that is the thing that we can use in many ways, and which is a very good important utilizable thing for many type of applications. So thank you for this experiment. If you have any kind of problem or issue, you can talk to me. Thank you.